Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we had created a feature login branch and switched to it. In this video, we will be learning how to push the code on new branch, or we can say how to push code on a specific branch. To push the code on a specific branch, Git provides git push command where we need to specify the branch name. Before pushing the changes on the GitHub, first we need to make some changes in the code and then commit those changes. To make the changes in the feature login branch, let me add a new file. So I'll navigate to my Eclipse. So this is my project and right now I'm into the feature login branch. Let me show you by running this command git branch, right? So here you can notice right now I'm into the feature login branch, right? So let me create a new class inside this src test Java package. So currently you can notice it contains a test class only. To create a new class, I'll right click on that package, click on new, click on class. I will provide the class name login test. Now I'll click on the finish button. So now you can notice login test class has got created. So let's say I have made the changes. Now I want to push this code in the feature login branch on GitHub repository. For that, I will need to run git add command to add this login test file from working directory to the local Git repository, right? So let me first run git status command. Git status command is showing that these are the two files which are added, right? First file is a login test.java which you created, and second test file is the login test.class file, right? So whenever you create any Java class and that code is compiled, then automatically a .class file is created. So right now these files are displayed in the red color, which means these files are in the working directory. Now I have to move these files from working directory to the Git local repository. For that, I'll write a command git add dot. Dot means I want to add all the files, right? So let me press the enter button. Now this command is executed successfully and both the files are moved from working directory to the Git local repository. So let me quickly verify that by running the git status command. So now you can notice login test.java and login test.class files are displayed in the green color. It indicates that now these files are available in the Git local repository. Now the next step is to commit these changes, right? So for that I'll write git commit -m. Here I will specify the message. So I'll say added login test class. Now I'll press the enter button. Git commit command is executed successfully. All right. So now we have committed the changes to the Git local repository. Now let's run the git push command to push the changes on GitHub repository. We want to push the code on the feature login branch. Hence, we need to specify this branch name with the push command. Git command to push the code on a specific branch is git push -u origin branch name. So let's write this command. I'll say git push -u origin. Now I need to specify the branch name. So the branch name is feature -login. All right. So now let's press the enter button. This command is being executed. All right, this command is successfully executed. That means feature login code should be available on the GitHub repository as well. Now let's navigate to the GitHub to confirm whether feature login branch is available or not, right? This is the homepage of the GitHub. Let me open my repository by clicking on this link. I have pushed my code on the feature login branch, right? So when I click on this branch tab, here you can notice feature login branch is also displayed, right? Let me click on that. So now I have selected the feature login branch. If I go inside the src folder, select the test.java, and inside the test.java you can notice login test.class file is available. All right. So this is how you can push your code on a specific branch. Since I have pushed my code on the feature login branch, that is a reason login test file will not be available in the master branch. Let's quickly verify whether this login test class is available in the master branch. It should not be available, right? So let me go to my project again. Now I'll select the branch from feature login to the master. So now you can see I have successfully moved to the master branch. Now I'll click on the SRC folder. Now I will click on the test/Java package. Inside this package, you can notice only one class, that is a test class, right? So here you can notice login test class is not available in the master branch because we have pushed that code to the feature login branch only. Alright, this is how you can push your code to the specific branch. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.